In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with friends on PlayStation 4 and PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Minecraft worlds so you can play between PC and PlayStation consoles. This will also work for any other platform, so Xbox, iPads, iPhones, an Android smartphone. Regardless of the platform that you are on, you will be able to play together with your friends on different platforms. First of all, the most important thing is that you sign into a Microsoft account. So if you haven't already, go over to Settings, choose the account category, and sign in with a Microsoft account. This is going to be the bridge between different platforms, so it is going to connect your PlayStation friends to you on PC or vice versa. You will also see a pop-up to sign in with Microsoft on the home screen if you haven't already. Once you have your custom gamer tag and you are signed in using a Microsoft account, go over to Play, and now you can create a new world or choose the option to edit any of the pre-existing ones that you have. By choosing edit on a specific world or creating a new one of the categories is going to be multiplayer. In here, you have to make sure that the player access is configured properly. The most important thing is to enable multiplayer game, and now you can make it so only invited players can join, friends can join, or friends of friends. I would recommend setting it to invited players only if you want to be as private as possible, or letting any of your friends join if you are okay with people seeing that you are online playing and just deciding to join. Now go inside of the world after you have enabled the multiplayer settings and configure them however you prefer. When you are inside of the world, you can pause at any point, so press escape or press the start button, go over to invite to game, and you will find all of your friends here. If you need to add them still, go over to the add friend option and input their gamer tag. They will be able to tell you their gamer tag by going over to this menu as well, so they pause the game, go over to invite to game, and then press triangle or the Y button depending on the controller that they are using between Xbox and PlayStation, and on this menu they can share the gamer tag. Look for the gamer tag, send them an invite, and once they accept, just choose the option to invite them to the world here. They will accept the invite, join, and now all of you can start playing together. You can invite as many friends as you want. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with friends on PlayStation 4 and PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.